how I can be a better leader every single day, be curious, be vulnerable, and how do I take one step forward towards my purpose, at the same time being aligned with my core values. So this is my key takeaway at RLA, and one of the best things at RLA is I found a community here. Transitioning from one country to another was super easy just because of RLA.
I would say that the biggest insight that I took away from RLA as I graduate this upcoming semester is to really have your value system and your belief system cemented as you move forward into the workforce. And you know that your belief system is going to be questioned and your values are going to be questioned, to really hold strong to what you believe in and to make sure that you know what you believe in so that you can hold strong to it.
One insight that I plan on carrying forward for me from the Ross Leaders Academy is the importance of working collaboratively with other people and really looking outside of your comfort zone to find others who have diverse perspectives, who really look to complement the different areas that maybe you have strengths. I think a sign of a really powerful leader is somebody who acknowledges their weaknesses and looks to their team to help complement those and really strengthen them to be able to have a successful outcome overall.
I think the experience for me at RLA, if it could be summed in one word, that would be alignment. So I come from medicine and public health, where we throw around the words like equity and justice and empathy every day. But what RLA did for me was to understand my own personal values and how informative they are in defining the trajectory of my own life. And also how much cognitive dissonance they create when I'm not living up to my values. So it was coming from inside to outside kind of leadership experience that I had at RLA.
My favorite live in-person event was when we talked about personalized board of directors. What's a personalized board of directors? If you want to achieve anything in your life, you want to be a professional player, athletics, want to be in fitness, what we learned in that session was you need to have one board member in your life from that specific field. The board member you want to hang out with whenever you're free, the board member you want to talk to, the board member who takes you professionally, the board member you are willing to reflect back when you're talking about the fitness. So what we learned that over time, we need to find out what the areas we value most and then recruit the board member in your personal life. That really helps you move and carry your energies, your objectives in life. What I have been doing personally, I had like 7-8 friends, same background, same professional degrees, same lifestyle, and we have been doing same stuff for years. I've been trying to try different things, but I've been struggling because my board of directors had the same ambition. So that is going to be our life-changing moment for me. I am actually recruiting for board members for my life, especially from RLA. Just to try different things, try different foods, try different sports. So that was my favorite session and I am really looking forward to it.
One of my biggest takeaways from being in Ross Leaders Academy is knowing that leadership isn't necessarily a fixed trait, but it's something that you continue to learn and unlearn and grow. It's a process that continues on for your whole life. And I think that this was a very important realization for me, knowing that I can continuously improve my leadership style and my interactions with people, and also just improving myself as a person overall.